change the color of the website. So if you're catching me later on, this is the application that I'm using. I think I'm gonna use Blurred actually. Application I'm using to live stream. So to do what I'm doing now, I'm using this application, and it's called Ecamm Live. So it's Ecamm to the top there, and this is Ecamm Live. You can download it here to begin a free trial. It requires macOS 10.12 or newer. So that's the only downside, is that you need to have a Mac to use this particular live streaming software. And the price plans are as follows, starting at £12 per month. That's $144 if you're billed annually. So what you get unlimited streaming. You get all platform integrations, which means there is seamless integration between Facebook, or with Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, Restream. Siri, I'm not talking to you, am I? Right. So custom branding, you can add logos, lower thirds, intro videos, and more. You can add a green screen, which is why you can see me in the with a background there. That's because I'm using a green screen, professional chroma key with no green fringes. So I've actually bought the green screen that you need to have that effect. Then you can do screen sharing. So you can share your entire screen, an app or an app window. You can do picture in picture, that is add a camera PIP or screen sharing, or rolling a video, which is what I'm doing now. That's picture in picture, because you can see my image right at the bottom, on the bottom left. Then multimedia, multi-camera split screen for up to 9 cameras or 5 Skype guests. So if you wanted to take part in this live stream, I could invite you on Skype, and you could be part of this conversation. Automatic local recording, in-app comment stream. So your comments will appear, and I'll be able to see them and respond to them in real time. So they'll appear on the left, on the right hand side here, and I'll be able to respond to them. Then you have no Ecamm watermark. So if you don't subscribe to the standard, you'll have an Ecamm watermark on your free trial. If you go pro, which is £20 a month, which is 240 billed annually, you get all the features from the standard. So this is the standard. You get all these features from the standard. But what you also get is a virtual webcam, which means you can use Ecamm features with any Mac video app. So any video app you'll be able to use with the virtual webcam. Then you get live video monitoring to any display or HDMI output. You get network NDI output. You get audio monitor output. You get automatic Facebook cross-posting. And you get real-time bandwidth stats and VIP tech support. Okay, so that's if you're going for the plans, any of these two. So Ecamm basically will make your Mac life better. It's an instant and powerful Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitch, and Periscope production for Mac. So you can switch between doing a Facebook Live, a YouTube Live, a Twitch, and a Periscope Live. You can also get phone view on this on Ecamm, which is basically getting your iOS messages, voicemail, and data on your Mac. So it'll look like this. You can get all your messages from your phone onto your Mac. That's what this is doing. Then you can get a call recorder for Skype, and this is what you get on your desktop as you're having your Skype conversation. It is being recorded here, and then it comes up as a video afterwards. So again, you can try it for free. Then you've got eyeglasses, which I haven't tried yet. Adjust the color, tweak the lighting, and you're ready for your webcam close-up. Okay. So these are just some of the things you will find on the website, and this is the application that I'm using to do this Facebook Live. But you can also do a YouTube Live, Periscope. You can just switchboard, Twitch, and Restream.io. There are some videos on it as well that you can play some videos there. That's to show you how it works. I play this one for 2 seconds.
Ecamm Live is a powerful live video production platform for Mac. Connect the app with Facebook, YouTube, or Periscope, and you're ready to go live to your profile, business page.
Okay. So, 10, 11 seconds of that. You can go on the website and have a look. Then, basically, you've got your own broadcasting studio with Ecamm Live. You can have, for example, an introduction, all the things that you're going to put, an intro video, built-in camera. You got your Canon, you can connect. Like here I've got 1, 2, 3 cameras connected. You can include your Skype interview as well. Then you've got the application or the Mac app, which is this one here in the left, on the top left. You've got the application. That's the Ecamm Live application. That is the one I'm using now. It's on my desktop here. And you can also use ScreenFlow for other things, but I'm going to talk about ScreenFlow. I'm going to talk about all of these applications in other live streams. So there's the phone view right there. It's the other one I was talking about. So that's the application. Then what else do you have? It was seamless platform integration, which means whether you're streaming to Facebook business page or YouTube channel or scheduling a broadcast in advance, the app takes care of the details. And once you're live, you'll see audience size, comments, and reactions showing up in Ecamm Live. So this is great for streaming, multi-streaming, which means Ecamm Live's integration with Restream.io, and Switchboard Live means live streaming to multiple platforms simultaneously. So imagine doing that, and then you can add up to 5 Skype guests. Okay, Ecamm Live integrates with Skype for easy split screen interviews. So if you're doing an interview or you want to speak to 4 people, 5, in fact up to 5 guests, you can simply do that. And then you've got overlays. So overlays like the one I've got at the bottom of my website, directorfuma.com, that's an overlay. You get it. You get add overlays for a pro look. So they've made it incredibly easy to add text and graphics such as company logo, viewer comments, and lower thirds to your live stream. Simply type a title or drag an image or comment into place. So I can grab your comments and put them right inside the live stream. Okay, what else we have here? Roll preloaded video. So you can play a video that you've got on your computer that you've shot earlier on. You can play it. So let's say you want to comment on the video. So you could easily play the video and then you can comment on it. Ecamm live streams high quality live video and then live picture in picture. So you could be right here and the video is playing and then you've got people commenting, then you're having a conversation. Because the whole point of live streaming is to have a conversation. Then you can share your desktop. And there is Ecamm Live in action. At some point, my channel was down here on this very website. So these are some of the people who are live streaming using Ecamm Live. Pastors. I've been trying to speak to some of the pastors I know that they need to take this social media to reach new people or new believers. So here are the features, desktop class features you won't find anywhere else, like scheduling, build an audience by announcing your broadcast in advance, local recording, every broadcast is automatically saved onto your Mac. Comments and reactions, no need to leave the app to see the latest comments from Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, and Twitch, so they're integrated right within the application. Professional camera support, you can connect a DSLR. Blackmagic Design native support for Blackmagic devices means hassle-free HDMI input. Then network NDI video sources show up in the camera switch automatically. You can do screen sharing, play pre-recorded videos, picture in picture. And if you are feeling social, live camera switching, so you can switch between different feeds. You can invite Skype guests, just call them and Ecamm will take care of the rest. Split screen, you can show cameras and Skype guests in a split screen or grid view. So if anyone wants to join me in future recordings and I have their Skype ID, I can call them and include them in the conversation. Image overlays, text overlays, text overlay like the one at the bottom right here at the bottom, and then comment overlays, so I can pull comments and put them right inside the broadcast screen. Green screen backgrounds, which is what I'm using now. Virtual cam, I've got that as well. Use Ecamm Live features in any Mac video app, Pro version only. So if you get the Pro version, you get that. And direct video output, monitor your broadcast on a connected display. And these are some of the guys who are using it. At one point, my name was here. I know some of these people from YouTube. Okay, so what are the products? You have Ecamm Live, Call Recorder for Skype, Phone View, eyeglasses, and Card Reader. Card Reader, I suppose, is for downloading images from SD cards. Then you can follow them on Facebook and on Twitter. Okay, I think that will be it for now. So I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'll talk about the next or one of the applications that I'm using for live streaming and basically for creating content, which you might find useful if you want to try and do the same thing. So if there are any questions or any application that you want me to cover, just let me know in the comments and I will do a live stream to explain that. Okay, see you in the next video.